In how many ways 8 books, including 2 on English, can be arranged on a shelf in such a way that English books are never together? So if I have 8 books, 1, 2, here is the third book, and then I have fourth book. Suppose I have 2 books on English, and then I have 2 more books. So here I have 8 books, right? And 2 books are on English. And I need to calculate how many permutations of or arrangement I can make in which these 2 English books are never together. So if they are never together, it means I will just solve this question in another way. I have already solved a question using this technique, and I gave a lot of detail in that question. So I once again asked you to watch that video, because usually I give as much detail as possible in the first problem I face, and then I don't give that information again and again in the forthcoming problems, because a repetition is not good. So here is the technique. First, I will calculate those permutations in which these 2 English books are together, because it's easier to calculate those permutations when these 2 English books are together. And when they are together, there could be 2 possibilities. For example, this is the first English book and this is the second English book. And in this situation, they are together, right? There could be another situation in which they are still together. For example, and then I have 2 English books, and then I have the other 2 books. But the difference is, now here is the second English book and here is the first English book. So you see, I can have 2 possibilities when they are together. In first case, if first English book is here and second English book is here. In the second case, the second English book is here and first English book is here. So when they are together, there could be 2 possibilities, and then all the other permutations are same. So now in the first step, I will calculate number of permutations when these 2 English books are together for any one case, and then I will multiply that number with 2 to get the other permutations when they shift their positions, because the number of permutations will remain the same. It's only that when they are together, because I want to calculate the number of permutations when they are together. And remember, in the question we need to calculate the permutations when they are not together. So there is a magic at the end which you will see. So to calculate the number of permutations when they are together, I will give them a single name as A. So let's call them A. The 2 English books together, just call them A. So now how many choices I have? For example, so here I have 4 books, and then I have A, and then I have the other 2 books. So now how many choices I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So N is equal to 7. R is equal to 7, because I want to find the arrangement of 7 books or whatever choices I have. So 7p7 equals, let me see my calculator, 7p7 equals 5040. So 5040 permutations I can make when the 2 English books are together in one configuration. Suppose this one. So of course, if they exchange their positions like this, the number of permutations are same, so I can multiply it with 2 to get the total number of permutations when English books are together in any arrangement. So I will multiply it with 2, and the answer is this. So these are the total permutations when English books are together. Next, I will calculate the total number of permutations, including those permutations in which the two English books are together and those permutations when they are not together. Of course, in that case, the n equals 8, r equals 8, and 8p8 equals the answer is 40320. So these are the permutations in which English books are together and not together. These are total permutations. And here I have the permutations when the English books are together. So can you find the number of permutations when English books are not together? It's easy. You can just subtract those permutations when English books are together. So you are left with those permutations when they are not together. 80. So let me see what my calculator tells me about this. So the answer is 30240. So these are the permutations when they are not together.